This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden settings on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To access the hidden experimental settings, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the address bar. You want to put your mouse cursor in there. You want to erase whatever's in there. And you want to type Chrome : / flags. Hit enter. And on the page that opens up here, at the very top, you have a little search bar. You could search for particular settings. Off to the right side, you have a Reset All button. Down below that, you have an Available and Unavailable tab. Below that, it says, Careful, these are experiments, may bite. Warning, experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. But you could scroll down through these settings, and there's hundreds of settings in here. And if you wanted to change anything, you would simply go to that, say that I wanted to enable this GX Cleaner. You will go off to the button off to the right of it, click on that, go to Enable. Then you would need to go down to the lower right-hand corner and click on Relaunch. That is how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.